Welcome to our bougie spa weekend escape, tucked deep in the Bulgarian mountains at Kashmir Wellness Spa, right in the heart of the spa capital of the Balkans. In this video, we're taking you inside everything this place has to offer. A full room tour, all the food, the spa facilities, the outdoor activities, and our honest review of whether it actually lives up to its reputation. We tried the sauna, steam room, the salt room, outdoor jacuzzi, sound bath meditation, mountain hiking, and more, plus a few surprises we didn't expect. So if you're planning a wellness getaway in Bulgaria, or you're just curious whether Kashmir deserves a spot on your travel list, keep watching. Let's check in, exhale, and see if this bougie mountain spa weekend truly delivers. It's a beautiful 2-hour drive from Sofia to Velingrad, which is famous for its spa hotels and thermal springs. We're spending the weekend at Kashmir Wellness Spa, the mountain retreat everyone in Bulgaria talks about. The lobby is warm, open, spacious, and really gives off cozy mountain vibes. There's definitely a goat motif everywhere, and we liked it. Welcome to our room tour. There's a personalized welcome on the TV, the bed is super comfortable, and we really like the space. We booked the double deluxe room, which costs around 325 euros per night and includes breakfast and dinner. The mini fridge is fully stocked, and the robes are soft and fluffy. After the long drive, we decided to have a welcome drink, and this Rioja was pretty tasty.
So they put exactly 2 herbal tea and 2 coffee pods, which is normal, right? However, if you want more, God forbid you want more, you have to pay. And even in like the shittiest Airbnbs that we've stayed, they put like 20 of those.
I asked for an iron for my clothes, and this is the only hotel that I've stayed in the entire world where not only did I need to pick up the iron at reception rather than having it delivered to the room, but they put a deposit until I returned it. We thought this was a little weird, especially for a 5-star hotel at this caliber. There's also absolutely nowhere to hang it, so we had to do this. This is our morning view of the mountains. It's a beautiful day. The breakfast at the hotel is excellent. I especially loved the yogurt bowl station, which has every topping you can imagine: chia seeds, goji berries, nuts, dried mangoes, and other fruit. Basically everything you can wish for. There's also plenty of meats and cheeses, croissants, breads, fried dough like makitsi and pyrjni filiki, warm foods, eggs, sausages, an omelet station, crepes, and plenty of jams and even a honeycomb. Now it's time for dinner, and the spread was also really nice. Lots of different breads, salads, cheeses, meats, different appetizers. We especially loved all of these different cheeses. What a variety. So yummy. You're then given a menu where you can select your appetizers, entrees, and desserts. Now we'll just continue to show you a lot of the things that we ate. Enjoy! Now we'll take you to the Whiskey Club and Social Bar, which is upstairs. There's an extensive variety of whiskeys to choose from, and every table has a call button. This area is well staffed, so you will receive your orders right away. Good service. This social area had a lot of games to choose from, so we played some tavla. But we didn't stay long because you're allowed to smoke in here and we couldn't breathe. Welcome to the spa. This is the reason why we're here, and the facilities are plentiful and excellent, so we'll take you through. By the way, we didn't get massages here because we had so many activities already, but the massage menu in the rooms are in Bulgarian. In the lobby area, you can find the massage menu in English, and it looks like there's some really nice ones. The indoor pool and jacuzzis are really nice. There's also a spa bar and call buttons next to the seating areas to order your drinks. Almost everything is in Bulgarian, but oh well. There's also a salt steam bath, soft steam bath, aroma steam bath, and a salt room. The salt room overlooks the relax room and is really nice. There's also an infrared sauna and a really hot Finnish sauna. The gym is also spacious and well equipped with everything we need. There's also a gift shop in the spa area if you forgot your bathing suit or just want a new pair of sunglasses or skincare. This is our favorite part about Kashmir. Sitting in a hot bath in the middle of the forest overlooking the mountains. Truly epic. As you can see, there are a lot of activities included in the stay. First, we went to the sound meditation in the relax room. This is my favorite little nook. And please don't buy water, and if you do, dump it out and fill it with this mineral water that's coming directly from the earth, warm and really delicious. The mountain hike was really worth it. Fresh air and incredible mountain views. The guide only spoke Bulgarian, but we met some friendly locals who helped us to translate. Overall, Kashmir delivers. The spa facilities are truly impressive. The service is good by Bulgarian standards, and the location is unbeatable. Peaceful, grounding, and genuinely healing. There's still room to level up to attract more international guests at this price point, but to be honest, I prefer the local feel. Thank you, Kashmir. It's a thumbs up for us. Come see for yourself. We put a lot of love into this video. You can support our new channel with a like and subscribe, and we'd love to get your thoughts in the comments.